You're watching news now. TDP MP from Nagar Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, Jagannathan, is in the spotlight once again, this time for speaking in a derogatory language with legislators and government officials. The tiff apparently took place at a district review meeting last evening in Mehboob Nagar. The argument started apparently after an MLA from the area, Janardhan Reddy, and others criticized the MP for hitting a banker from the AP Grameen Bank in Mehboob Nagar a few weeks ago. Now, Jagannathan then lost his cool and started arguing, like you can see there, with the assembled legislators, even allegedly using foul language against them. Following which, there was a huge ruckus in the meeting and which led to its adjournment eventually. Remember, this is not the first time that the TDP MP has got into trouble for his high-handedness. 2 weeks ago, Jagannathan was caught on camera for slapping a banker at the AP Grameen Bank in Mehboob Nagar, for which he was forced to apologize after being pressurized by the Congress and the TDP. And for more, let's go across to Durga Nandini, who's joining us live with the story. Durga, very clearly, this is not the first time the MP has gotten into trouble.
Well, Rupali, we are speaking about a Congress MP here. He is the Congress MP from Nagar Kurnool, and he was involved in a controversy a few weeks back when he actually slapped a banker at when he received complaints from the backward community about certain loans which were not being dispatched. And this MP has done it once again. He has gone ahead and created a ruckus at the District Review Committee meeting yesterday at Mehboob Nagar. In this meeting, there were many opposition legislators, the TDP legislators who were present there, and there were also government officials, and it was a review which was being conducted. In that particular meeting, there was some discussion about this previous controversy which had occurred about the bankers controversy, and this MP has his cool. In fact, our sources are even telling us that he went ahead and justified this particular action, this Slapgate scandal that he was involved in. Remember, he had, after a relentless campaign by the media, he had actually apologized to those bankers, but yesterday we hear that he has gone ahead and justified that what he had done, the way he had slapped the banker, it was totally justified because he was doing it in the public interest. On top of that, he has also screamed at the other legislators, the TDP legislators who was present there, allegedly used foul language on them, referred to them in the singular, and used a lot of derogatory terms. So looks like he has lost his cool once again. The hot-headed MP involved in the act once again.
Right. Thanks for that, Durga Nandini. And let's move on now. Mufti Abdullah, the key Dawood associate and elite terrorist, has been sent to a 7-day remand after the Dhaka police produced him before the magistrate's court. Ubaidullah has confessed that he had collaborated with terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir and also participated in terror attacks in Indian cities. In fact, in his confessional statement,